Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and in this video you will see how to create this Mogra flower jewelry at home. So let's get started.
Take yellow Arkandy and cut a circle with radius 1.5 centimeters. Stitch Gota lace around the circle. Insert a paper flower and stitch from the back. Now take a Gota flower and stitch some Mogra flowers to it. Attach both the parts using fabric glue. On a piece of Arkandy, stitch some stones. Stitch an earring hook to other piece of Arkandy and paste them together using fabric glue. Now attach both pieces using thread and needle. Add some beads and bells at the end. Your earring is ready. Similarly, you can make tika and necklace.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.